In today's video, we are going to show you how a lithium battery is made. This is the UTL lithium manufacturing plant where different types of lithium batteries are produced. And in the UTL company, you also get to see different kinds of lithium batteries. The making of a lithium battery begins with its cells. First, the cells are selected, and after that, the next process is carried out. Different kinds of cells can be used to make a lithium battery, but inside one lithium battery pack, only one type of cell is used. Here you can see 4 types of cells. You can also see cylindrical cells and one prismatic cell. For making larger lithium batteries, prismatic cells are used. Apart from this, there is the lithium ferro phosphate cell, and there is the nickel magnesium cobalt lithium ion cell, which is also called the NMC cell. To make a lithium battery, many other components are also needed. These include cell holders, nickel strips, and the BMS. Apart from this, wires and sensors are also required. Different types of tape are used for sticking the parts together. As we told you, the first step is selecting the cell. After selecting the cell, the actual lithium battery making process begins. As soon as the cells are selected, cell grading is done. There is a grading machine where the grading of the cells is carried out. After grading, the cells are shorted. In this shorting process, all cells are separated based on their voltage and internal resistance. Cells with similar voltage and similar internal resistance are grouped together. For example, if one cell has a voltage of 3.1 volts, one has 3.2 volts, and one has 3.3 volts, then there will be 3 different groups of cells. And each group is separated accordingly. After that, insulation paper is applied on the cells. This paper protects the cells from internal short circuit. This process is done both automatically and manually. After applying the paper, the cells move to the next process. The cells are then placed into the cell holders. Here we are explaining how a lithium battery is made from cylindrical cells. That is why you can see these cell holders, and inside them all the cells are placed. After placing the cells in the holders, they are inspected. All negative and positive terminals are checked properly. If even one cell is placed incorrectly, the whole battery will not work. That is why the CCD machine is used for accurate checking. After passing the CCD machine, the cells are joined together using spot welding. For this, nickel strips are used. This work can be done manually or with machines. Different machines are required for this process, like manual spot welding, automatic spot welding, and automatic laser welding. Which welding method is chosen depends on the type of cell you want to weld. After welding, the battery pack is joined with epoxy. After this, a BMS is attached to monitor charging and discharging of all the cells. This is called the battery management system. It increases both the safety and the life of the battery. It is like the brain of the battery because it optimizes all the cells inside the battery, and it maintains the battery health. In the market, mainly 2 types of BMS are available. One is the normal BMS, which is a simple battery management system. You attach it directly to the battery and it optimizes the battery and helps in improving battery life and battery health. The second is the smart BMS, and inside it different sensors are used. It also has a Bluetooth transmitter so that you can see the battery data on your phone. After placing the BMS, the battery is fully closed and made ready. After this, it is tested to check whether the battery is working properly or not. The battery is placed inside a testing machine. The battery is then charged and discharged, and a report is generated by the computer. The batteries that pass the computer test are sent ahead to be placed inside the battery body. This body can be made of different materials. It can be stainless steel, it can be mild carbon steel, or it can also be plastic. It depends on the size of the battery. The bigger the battery, the stronger the body material used. If the battery is small and has lower ampere hour rating, it can be placed in a plastic container. In this way, a complete lithium battery is made. And this is how lithium batteries are manufactured in India. In the UTL company, you get all types of lithium batteries, whether you need them for solar systems or for EVs. You can also find them on their official website. This is all for today's video. If you still have any questions or suggestions, you can comment in the comment box. If you like the video, then like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you continue receiving such videos from time to time. Thank you.